Okay. So now once you configure the main this GitHub and all, right? Then what you do? You go to the Python. Why Python is required? Because backend, right? Yeah, I think it will run utilize all libraries from the Python. Okay, so that is the reason it is needed. So the advantage here is you have a DBT on-premise and both cloud. So cloud it's easy. You don't require to do anything. But when you are installing, mandatory to do all these things installations. Okay. So go to the Python. Okay. Step one we have already discussed the GitHub related things, right? And now go to the Python. Python it's really very important, okay? For future also it is very important. For any data science or any data engineering, data analytics, anything you can take, okay, for machine learning, okay, deep learning, okay, these things for you require a Python. So nowadays we are completely depending on the Python. So again, to learn Python, there are two ways again. Okay. First of all, you need to choose the which Python you need to first learn. So there are three things. Okay. I'll tell you. Normal Python. Okay. So this normal Python is used for front end. Okay. Front end and back end. But if you want to expertise, then you need to choose whether I want to learn a front end Python or back end Python. That you need to learn, very important. So if you want to become a front end, okay, front end Python developer, then you need to add HTML, other blah blah things, and then again you need to deeply you need to understand the Python and their libraries. Okay, front end related libraries you need to. If you want to if you want to become a backend developer, okay, then what you have to do? You need to learn backend related Python libraries. So as a libraries as a data engineer, or data analyst, okay, or data science. Data science. To become this, you need to learn that. So everyone in colleges, right? Generally, you guys maximum even in the market also, right? Everyone, if they say Python means Python, Python, Python. Which Python you want to learn? That you don't know first of all. So you need to decide before choosing any software. You have to choose what is the my future and what I have interested. Okay, don't listen anyone. Okay, if you don't have anything in your mind which software I need to learn, then if someone suggests, go ahead and choose that. At least if you have some interest, whether I want to go as a data engineer, data analyst, how do I know this is because see before that anything, right? If you want to go, if you want to reach out any target, you have to prepare be yourself, right? You have to be ready. If you want to go to Karnool, you want to watch a movie, then what you will do? First, you will be ready. Hmm? You make a dress and everything, and then you will try to choose whether bike or car or bus, right? Then after once you reach to destination, again you go to buy a ticket and all. Then you enter into theater to watch the movie. Similarly, here also same thing. If you want to enter into IT, first of all, you need to choose a better software which is interesting. I mean, which is interested you are. That is very important. Hmm? Okay. So now Python. So Python already I have installed, right? So I have shown you also. So download this Python and install. It is just you need to follow the steps. So to install the Python, Okay, once I will show you the command also. Okay. So here, how to install Python CMD. Simple. Okay, it just takes some time. See, open a command using run administrator. First, you need to do this. Very important, actually. Okay. So once you install, right, you need to, when you are opening a command, right? Okay. So see more. See, you need to in real time. Okay. I mean, when if you want to enter into IT, for example, right? So you need to learn many skills. I mean, many technologies. That is very important. So while studying, right, we will have a maths, physics, chemistry, and English, and our selected language, Telugu, Sanskrit, anything, right? Similarly, here also nowadays it is very important to learn multi skills. Okay, so you should not feel right. You should not feel like how many technologies I have to learn. See, you are learning those skills which are related to a data. See, now you are learning here Snowflake, and tomorrow if you want to go to the Java or Python developer, something which is non-relevant to this what you have learned already, then it's a nonsense. Okay, but in case if you have learned something and if you want to extend, then that is good. Okay, because that will help you in future. Okay, so like that you need to go. Okay, so you will have some steps here. Something like this, you need to install, download, and install by Python. Okay, before that, you need to go to the path, respective path. Okay, um, actually, we have proper steps under DBT install like this. Something. So generally, what we need to do, we need to just go here, and where is my Python, right? Then you just go there and uh, install Python. There is a command called command. And then download install. No, not like this. There is a simple step we have. And command download. PowerShell and all we don't require. Okay, I will give you that also. So what you need to do? So first, when you open right command, okay, right click. Okay, search the command prompt, and then once you find here, right, then don't open directly. Okay, so if you are opening directly, right, then it will give you the default command prompt. Okay, so first what you have to do, you have to go type here CMD, then you will get the prompt here, command prompt, right click, and then run as an administrator. Okay, it will ask the permission. Do you want to allow this app to make a changes to your device? Yes. Then where is your okay, where is your folder? Okay, first go to that folder. So for example, okay, where I have the DBT, I think I had in downloads. Okay, something here. Python. Okay, what I have to do, I will do. I'll take this one. Okay, and here what I will do, cd copy. Simple. No, no, 1 second. Cd save folder. Something down. Something we need to do like this. Oh, this is not coming. I have to take first and tag the say users and it down to this. Say users and say say colon users and down. Something we need to go like this. It's a by default we have a system, right? System 32. Come back. If it is not coming into 32, then what you have to do? Okay, so simply pip install. Okay, then you take this path, okay, and paste it here, and then copy that this download, whatever the we have this right software name. Okay, copy this software Python MD, right click, go to the properties or rename. When you get renamed it, take this one, okay, .txt, and paste it here like this, and execute. Execute. So I'll show you the steps. Okay. Generally, this like this we need to do, but I'll give you the step. Okay. So even I forgot actually there was some steps. Fine. Once you install the DBT, then go to the okay. Now go to the Snowflake. So Snowflake already we created. Okay. Snowflake already we okay. So you cannot minimize. Okay, so now if you see here, okay, so I'm just trying to open in this. It is not giving me that. Yeah, I'm trying to open now. Azure, DWH. This is my username, password. Not.
Anna, screen is not visible to me.
Oh, is it? Okay, one second. Let me share my screen. Mm, Are you able to see my screen, right?
Yes, Anna.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you see here. Okay. So now I have just logged in. Okay. So once I log in, I'll get this snowflake. Okay. And home, under home, quick action, upload local file. Okay. See, quickly convert data into table. So directly you can upload any file. So it will browse from your file size limit is 250 MB. Support format CSV, TCSV, JSON, ORC, Avro, Parquet. So these are all files. We can try that also. Okay. And this will be helpful. Directly before that, you have to create a table structure. Okay. Then you directly upload the file here itself. Load from cloud storage. Use the SQL template to load the data. Query data. Create a SQL worksheet. Create a user. Hmm? Okay, so we have created here. So, and this is very important. You need to see all of them. What is the we have, you see, AIML, we have data products, we have data projects, okay, search, everything we have. Okay, still we have it 12 days left in our, and here you have a account details. Okay, what is this? Privacy, documentation, client appearance. Okay, so here you can see many things under my profile and account. So I have created many things. Okay, so you can see all of them here. See, Asia Pacific. One time I have used some Amazon and Azure. Okay, so like that we created. So here admin. So account admin is the default. Organization admin we don't have. I don't require all of them. That is it. This is enough. And here my account. Okay. So like this you can see. And see my profile, and so one by one you need to search what exactly we have one by one. Hmm? This is very important. So once you configure this one, create a database. I already created a database. You see here. Okay. So I have created database. Under database, my database, if you see, I created a DBT schema also. Okay. So I have created everything. So now we need to install DBT. Okay. So the DBT, okay, step by step, what I will do. Continuing today installation. Okay. Before that, I have not prepared a PPT. Okay. Steps. What I will do today, I'll prepare all the steps one by one. Okay. And similarly, we can execute same way based on the our steps. Then it is easy for you also how we can install one by one on DBT. Okay, so that you will have an entire installation steps as well. Okay, okay, just wanted to stop till here. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss DBT. What exactly? Now, any questions? Manohar, you were asking one question. Yes. What is your question, Manohar?
Anna, my question is what is SAT, UAT, and products?
Okay. It's just layers. Yeah. So in real time, what generally we do, when we are practicing here, we will have only one system, right? But in real time, it is not like that. Okay. First, when you enter into a IT, okay, and once you assign to a project, you have a requirement. For example, your lead will give you the requirement. Hmm? Okay. So that requirement, it tells you what you have to do. For example, you have a file. Okay. That file you need to load it into stage table. Once again. Okay. So if you want to load the data into stage, so you know requirement you know. Okay. So in file, you have a columns called the EMP number, name, job, salary. And you have a 1, 2, 3, and if you have software and one like subcode like this. Okay. So now see column names. You have a column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. 4 columns you have. It means you need to create a table with the 4 columns. Okay. What is delimiter I have? Comma delimiter. Okay. So this is what you have the requirement. Now you know first what you have to do, you need to create a table. Step 1. Table using the column. Okay. So here whether I have an integer, string, what I have to create. So before that, they will give you the okay file mapping document. File mapping document. That file mapping document, if you don't get, you need to ask. Okay. If you don't get file mapping document, you need to ask your team lead or your manager. Okay. Then first you need to ask the file mapping document. Once you get the file mapping document, okay, then it says in the file mapping document, it says EMP number, whether it is an integer string, okay, that document, it will tell you, okay, what is the my column type, okay, data type, and this column data type. Accordingly, you know how to create a table, okay, and the table name also we will tell, okay. Generally, your team lead will tell you what is the table format also, okay, or you need to create a proper format. Now I am creating a stage underscore emp. So always go to the small letters, don't go with the capital. And then you know, right, then you will be creating a table emp number with the int, okay, and e name, okay, string, okay, and job string, okay, and salary decimal 10 comma, okay, and close. So first you need to create this. So this code you will be uploading into this. You will be creating a file. So what file? Stage underscore emp.sql. You will be updating this. You are not going to execute. Or in dev environment, generally we will have access. Okay. So what we need to do generally in dev, you will be executing this one, and then you need to create a job under, right? So what you will do, you will be first to doing the dev server. Okay. In development environment, okay, in dev server, everything is fine. Development, dev environment, dev server, these are all common. First, here you will do the table creation, loading, testing, you do everything. So once you feel that, yes, I have created everything, and now this data, whatever, right, looks fine. If you feel that, and your unit test cases passed, unit test cases passed, then you are going to inform to your lead saying that, yes, I have completed all the development and I have my unit test cases also passed. Then your unit test cases will be analyzed by or reviewed by your lead. Once he approves, then you need to raise a ticket to do the SIT. Okay. SIT means system integration testing. Integration testing. This SIT, system integration testing, what it does? This system integration testing, okay, here whatever the code you have built, I mean DDL, okay, SQL queries, those things you are moving from dev server to your dev branch here, okay, dev branch to SIT branch. SIT branch. You will be moving this code. Once here you will move, now you will get the half of the real-time data. Half of the real-time data you will get. Okay. That real using this data, again, whatever you have tested and right, you will be testing same again. I mean, you will run the job. Okay, here platform team will be creating a table and everything, but you will be testing that job whether data is loading or not. Okay, so here once you load the data, okay, your tester will do the testing. Tester. Tester means who? QA team, quality testing team. Those guys will test end to end. They know how to test. Once they tested, okay, again your business user will test. That is called a UAT, user acceptance testing. Once this guy has to provide a sign off. Okay, yes, whatever Manohar developed the code, that is as per the requirement. Yes, it is executing and the data also looks good. He will confirm and he will give you the sign off. Once he provides the sign off, then again here business user will give you the another actual file. Okay, another actual file. Again, you need to load that file and you need to inform to your business team saying that, yes, we have loaded the data and we have refreshed for you to validate. Then these guys, business users will do the testing. Then again, they will give you the sign off. Once these guys provided the sign off, then your data, I mean your code will be moved again to MTP. MTP means move to production. MTP, move to production. Move to production. So this move to production, what it does, whatever the code you have in SIT branch, right? That branch, whatever the code you have developed in dev and the same move to SIT branch, that will be moved to main branch. Main branch. So this is the data. This is the code. And here, after moving to production, then you will be scheduling the job. Here, scheduling the job, whatever you have developed, right? So every day 10 a.m. you will be scheduling. So that scheduling time also your team lead they will decide. Okay, what time I have to run schedule, so that every day that particular time automatically it will execute. And if the file is available, it will process. If the file is not available, then it will fail. Okay, Manohar, understood?
I'm understood.
Yeah. Okay. Any questions? Hello. This is very, very
Good morning.
important. Okay. Whatever I have explained, it is completely real time of what we do. Yeah.
Good morning, Anna.
Yes. Good morning, English.
Now, what are the issues we are facing at the time of UAT?
That will tell you later classes. Okay.
Okay.
Any other base, I mean, related SIT, sorry, related Git, Python. Okay. Do you have any questions? So you have to practice these things. It is very, very important for you guys. Okay. I'm telling you again and again. Okay. If you are not practicing, see, it's your, for your future, you need to struggle. Okay. So I'll just guide you guys. That's it. But you need to spend time to practice all these things. Yeah. Sometimes we may do mistakes. Okay. So by we need to learn from the mistakes. Everyone will say that learn the things from the mistakes. Correct. So you need to upgrade yourself. Okay. So that is very important. Hmm? So see, I have regularly I'm taking the classes now. If you say from past 3 days, right? I'm exactly 6:30. I'm starting the class. I told you, right? Sometimes I'll start at 6 a.m. also. I'll give you the update. But everyone make sure you are ready at 6:30 exactly. Every day till October. I told you 3 months. The 3 months you have to be perfect in all area. And once you install Python, right? We have a 2 minutes. I'll just go through. For you to understand simple Python, go to the W3 school. Okay. This is very, very easy and simpler to learn Python. Okay. So Python. I have learned Python from this website one day. It is very, very simple. Okay. Variables, data. Okay. If you see here, okay, it will give you basics. Okay, you will be perfect in basics if you start this one. So it is easy for you to understand all. Okay. Okay. So then tomorrow we will start DBT installation one by one. How we can install the DBT and all we will practice tomorrow. And then we will start the actual coding and all. Okay. Step by step. Okay. If no questions, then we can close the call. Or if you have any questions, still we have a 1 minute. Any questions? Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. See you tomorrow. Sorry. See you tomorrow again. Same 6:30. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
మనం 7 years